Testing 1, 2, 3. Put this down. All right. Let me see. Hold on. Okay, that's good. All right. Okay. All right. So today I'm gonna be working on some Collect Edit 2 stuff, and we're gonna. I wish I could like quickly get to my desktop because I have like, can I just get to the desktop? Okay. The answer seems to be not really. Okay. Well, I'm sure that I can. I just don't. I just don't know how. All right, whatever. We'll just have SoundCloud in the background, and I'm gonna turn this down even more. Supposed to like run through all these different songs on shuffle, but who knows? Who knows? All right. Oh wait, one more thing I gotta do. Let's track this time. All right, here we go. All right. Okay, so all right, so what we're gonna do, for some reason, well, I'll. All right, so we're gonna run through the game. And the way the game is in a development state right now, so if I hit new game, it'll
Welcome to Miracle, where we train you to be the best employee.
and it goes right here, but it's not. It doesn't. It's not supposed to go here. So the way that I found out to fix that, is question. How did I fix that? How did I get back to the beginning? Oh yeah, that doesn't work. Okay, so hold on. Actually, all right. I forgot. I forgot how I made the game actually come back to the beginning. But I got the game to go back to the beginning. There we go. There's some other sounds I want to add in here, but I'll have to do some other programming things, so we're just gonna go ahead and get right to it. It's got the choice noise. I would like it to have a noise when you highlight over the menu. Alright, so we actually have to run through all these choices. Alright. Alright, so let's see what line this is. This is line 710. Line 710. Give me this. Oh shoot, is the office ambience playing on sound or audio? Can't remember. Because we have 2 sound effects channels. Alright, let me see here. How do I do this? And we need a choice up here. I think that's the name of this. And we save it. That did not work. Place sound. Oh, choice appears with an S. Okay. There you go. There should be office sound effects. Hold on, go back. Alright, there's the office sound effects. Oh, I went back too far. Okay, so we're running out on play sound. Alright, so we should be running everything on play sound. Alright. Bad dream. $16-hour shift is crazy. So that 99, what was that, 996? Okay. Oh, I gotta see what line that is. I wish I didn't do that. Alright, hold on. 7:53. All right. And then what is this? This is stress up. There it is. So this is, I really just gotta like go through and put all these sounds in by hand. There's probably a better way to do this by having some kind of like whenever the menu appears, do this. Whenever this happens, do that. But since we're going line by line, this is how we're gonna do it. Okay, let me see something. Is there a better way to do this? Health bar increase stress 6. Health bar dot increase. Okay, so health bar is that like a script or a class or something? Or this is like some kind of like function. But I don't know. Health bar dot increase stress. Maybe in the dot increase stress we could play a sound, and then the dot decrease stress we could play a sound. That way it'll happen automatically all the time. Because otherwise, if it come back in here, where is that? Let's see here. Long icon. Oh wait, maybe I can find it in here. If this is... Oh, it's not showing me the whole project though, so I don't know. Yeah, I'm not sure where that's, like, I'm not sure where that is. Health bar. Health underscore bar. Let me see if it's anywhere. Oh, this does make it easy though. Hold on. I can do this. I don't know what this is. Okay, in that case, let me just do this. I can close the game and just run it this way. We'll just turn this up. All right. Did I do a find and replace? Oh, hold on. They just find it up here. Score equals health bar dot current underscore damage. Health bar current damage equals 125. Jump. I kind of probably do some stuff with this.
Zeamus, how many cows have cows that are also Ramantras?
All of them. All of them. You know that? You gotta study up. Can I make this bigger? Yeah, I can. Alright. This is in Ren'Py right now.
Zeamus, I've decided to downgrade my new PC RAM from 64 gigabytes to 32 gigabytes.
Yeah, I mean, 32 should really be good. I don't see why you would need like all of it. Hold on, I'm gonna make sure. You can hear the music in the background, right? That means our computer audio is working. Yeah, I think 32 is fine. What did I have in my other machine? I had 32 in there. Like, unless you're planning on doing like a whole bunch
Zeamus,
of stuff.
it's a bit hard to hear.
Oh yeah, it is pretty quiet. It's not a main focus of today's thing. Let me turn it up a little bit though. Because I have it's playing from SoundCloud, so I have it all kind of quiet. Can I do something? Let's see, screen stress level equals S1. Oh, hey. Can I run commands in here? Hold on. Health bar dot current damage is greater than or equal to 33, and health bar current damage is less than 67. Screen stress level is this one. Screen stress level. Okay, so I bet you I can. Oh wait, but that's not cute in this, is it? Hold on. I gotta do some Googling, but I think I can get. Hold on. Give me a second.
Zeamus, do you want to program this new game in Godot with me?
I'm gonna put a no. I'm not really the programmer. You don't want me there. Okay, so. Okay. Now when I play. I think I figured out how to get the dynamic music to work, maybe. So it's like. Play this. Because they have the dynamic logic set up for this, so I could just jump game over mental break. I have a game over sound, so let's do this.
Zeamus, I think you could do it.
Nah. Play. Audio. I don't know about that one. I am curious to do like the orchestrator stuff, but I still have to like look into it. And also like that's why a lot of the games that where I am doing the programming, it's like pretty simple. Okay, I don't know if that's how true that is, but I don't know. Okay, actually, we don't actually need that folder. That's a totally different project. Where's game audio? I'm curious to do some kind of programming stuff, but I don't know. And then when I do program, I don't even start with like the character controller. I start with like real basic stuff. I start with like, can I press the button and the square moves at all? So let's see. This reminds me, I gotta upload that person's song. SFX. Did I have a game over sound in here? I feel like I did. Game over to MP3. I think that did that wrong. Hold on, check something. I did do that wrong. All right, put the quotes back. What are you yelling about? Put that no. Can I do that? Is that allowed? Is this legal? I don't know. It should be, but. So, all right.
Zemus, it's illegal, eagle, my deagle.
It might be, because this is before the game starts. So, and then I don't have a way to properly test this. Jump to game over, mental break. Can I do that in the game? How can I open a console command? Can I open a console command to just jump to this to see? Okay, so when I play... Okay. Stop sound, fade out. Wait, what? Increase... How are you gonna define all the health bar stuff? You define all the health bar stuff like way up here? That's weird. Alright, let me see. Do I have music? Where are you? Where are you, music? Go to the first time you appear. Play music, BGM office. Okay, so... So I think in order for this to run, where's this defined at? Oh, this is defined in another file, isn't it? Oh crap. Hold on. Let me see. It's probably defined somewhere else. Yep, it's defined somewhere else, so I gotta go find out where that is, and I cannot remember. Usually you have to define, usually in RenPy, or really any of these things, you gotta call the specific file name, but you can actually define the file name somewhere else so that you can just say BGM office or BGM whatever, but I gotta find out where that is because I can't remember where it is, and it's been a while. So let me see. Is it in script? Hold on. Wait. Is it in audio? Hold on. I think it might be in audio. Please be in audio. And you opened it up in a. No. Stop. You know, I might open this in a. Hold on. Yeah, we can save and quit. I'm gonna open this in Visual Studio Code because that has Copilot in it, and that will give me some guidance. And Graham, you can do this too with Visual Studio Code. It has Copilot, which is not connected to your normal ChatGPT thing, and it's pretty useful for just some basic guidelines for things. Okay. All right, and
Zeamus, what would Santa do?
oh, what Santa do? He'd use Visual Studio Code too. He actually, I feel like he might be using like Writer or something. All right, we can close all that. We can actually do this. All right, let's go. Okay, so can I?
Zeamus, he must have programmed the sleigh.
He might have. He might have even used Ruby on Rails. Ruby on Rails. It's a real programming language. There's some crazy programming languages out there. All right, now I have the whole project. Hooray! All right, what are you yelling about? Do you trust the authors from this folder? Yeah. All right, so. Oh, you know what would be so sick if one of the add-ons, if they have like a RenPy add-on. That'd be so cool. There's Python. Oh yeah, there's Python, there's Godot tools. Is there a RenPy add-on? Let me see. No RenPy add-on. RenPy?
Zeamus, what if you owned an alpaca?
Oh, here we go. RenPy language adds rich support. If I had an alpaca, I wouldn't be here where I live now because it would be very it'd be very crowded. Oh, so we got RenPy language up here. Which one should I get? They got a couple RenPy things in here. RenPy launcher. Keep RenPy in sync with. Oh, what is this? Let me see this. This looks like some useful stuff in here. Okay, hold on. Let's see. RenPy launcher and sync. Keep RenPy in sync with your code. Hold Option key to mouse over. That sounds like kind of useful. Can I click on this to see? Alright, start and quit your RenPy game directly from Visual Studio Code? Ooh. More game to a specific line or jump to a label. Oh, that is useful. Move cursor position in Visual Studio Code and dialog progress the follow cursor mode. A gutter decoration to remind you that you're in the game, even when. Okay, that sounds kind of neat. Wait a minute. Hold on. Okay, yeah, let me get this. I feel like I'm gonna freaking break everything. Let me get this. You know what? Before I do that, let me push. Because that's actually pretty cool. You can just launch it. You can just launch the game from Visual Studio Code and not have to use the launcher? Is that real? Are we cool, bro? Hold on. Let me do this.
Zeamus, it may not be real.
I hope it is, though. If it isn't, that'd be disappointing. All right. And by the way, all of this music that you're hearing in the background is music I made at some point in history.
Zeamus, I asked Sydney if we can get an alpaca.
Yeah, what'd she say? No. Where you gonna put it? Oh, that's in Chinese. What's this Renpai AI? AI.Renpai? What's this?
Zeamus, waiting for her answer.
This is in Chinese is what this is. I don't know what that is. We're gonna leave it alone. Okay. Cool. Good to know. Lovely. Let's see. Renpai language for Visual Studio Code. An extension that adds rich support for the Renpai programming language to Visual Studio Code. Yeah, we like that. Supports converted from Renpai language support and Aton. This is cool. Okay. Got a little GIF there. Okay. Cool. Okay, but like, what's the difference between this one, right, and then this one? Renpai language in Visual Studio Code. An extension that adds support. I'm not gonna download both of them. That'd be a mess. Like it's the same thing. Okay, well, what I'm gonna do now is, ooh, you can change colors. Who has the latest update?
Zeamus redeemed talk in a funny accent for 3 minutes 500.
Ooh, you're talking a funny accent? Okay. What's this here? Well, let me start the timer. Oh, hats, don't got one. Hold on.
Zeamus, starting the timer.
Is the timer started? Let me know when it's done. I'm just looking at the clock. 6:28. Okay. So I'm going to be downloading here.
Zeamus, started.
Renpai, and what's when this update? Oh, March 22nd. That's pretty good. If I say so. Oh, it's this other one. Let's see here. Oh, that one's old. This one's old. You see, it's 2023. What is this? What are you riding horses and whatnot? No, we need this one. This one's a good one, yeah. Click install. There we go. Yep. All right. Trust the publisher. What's that little noise mean? What's that little noise mean? All right. Okay. It's installing. Yep. I'm excited. You excited? I'm excited. Okay. Now we're gonna go ahead and it's this version right here, right? Oh, 2021. That's old. My granddad's using that version. That's all right. We're gonna download it anyway, and hopefully it doesn't break everything. Wait. All right, 5. It's got 5 stars. That looks good to me. Oh wait, we can reread ratings. Can we read reviews? Oh, hello. It is the one that works correctly until this baby. Okay, all right. I'm not sure what accent this is, but it's a good one. Trust the publisher. Yep, we're installing. Okay. All right, and let's go check this one real quick. Let me see. This got ratings too. I want to see what this is.
Back now.
Now you have to go watch the VOD if you want to see those accents. I've been talking the whole time. My dream. Very good. Have visual novel forever to my Renpai. Okay. Oh, love visual novel. Love using this to code my VN. Very helpful. Well, that's great to hear, Kyle Eck. I'm glad. Kyle seems like a great Renpai developer, so I really trust his review on this little Renpai language add-on here. 8.3 plus. Okay, that's the one we've got. We've got 8.3. Wait, hold on. We got 8.3. Wait, hold on. Wait. Where's the version number? Hold on. Renpai. Well, why didn't they put that right in the top? Oh, come on. Where's the version number? Renpai what? What's... Yeah. They're being a York. They're not telling me which version I'm on. All right. Okay.
Zemus, 3 minutes ended.
Oh no, I like talking in that accent too. Oh, well, okay. All right. Cool. I just suddenly had a lot more to say when I was in that accent. Okay, so that's good. We got some Ren'Py stuff. We're good to go. We're cooking with gas. Even though we should be using electric because that's more, you know, better. Okay, so what's this one? This one's older. Anyways, so we're gonna go back up to, that's not what we wanted to click on. Nope, it's not here. Okay, so close this. All right, close this, close this, close this. I'm hungry. Blah 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 blah. Okay, so we're gonna look in the audio Ren'Py. Okay, so here's our definitions. Okay, so here we go. This is what I was looking for. So, music. We're gonna put in some other stuff. Oh gosh, can I not make you bigger? What the heck, guy? Oh wait. What the heck? How come I can't make you bigger? Get bigger. Get larger. Oh well.
Zemus, activated story time. Tell me a story of when you met an alpaca named Steve.
All right, hold on. I gotta get the music for this. Oh wait, I can just do this. All right. Oh, do I have my? Hold on. Hey. Oh no! Hold on. All right, hold on, bro. What the flap? Oh, it's back. It's back. Okay. Okay. It's like, oh, you're doing a little bit too many. You're doing a bit too good of a job of performing. We need to cut the stream. We need to cut the power. Anyway, hold on.
Zemus, your PC doing too much?
No, it's not. It looks like it's back. Hold on. Okay, well, looks like it's back. So anyways, hold on. Let me give me a second. Ah! Dang it. I didn't mean to click on that.
Zemus, tell me about Steve the alpaca.
I gotta hold on. I gotta give me a second. I gotta make sure everything is correct here. Before I do that, so we can do it in the proper manner. So give me just a moment here. Where is my cam scene and my audio for that? Is what? Okay. All right. I'm going to tell you this story and let me know if you can hear. Firstly, let me know if you can hear my mic. Testing 1, 2, 3. Mic's good. Very loud. Very good. Good. Let me know if you can hear this music.
It's very low now.
It's very low? That's very strange. Because it isn't low. It's showing like it's loud. You can't hear that? I see that you don't hear the music though. That's disappointing.
Zemus, the girl isn't talking anymore.
Yeah. Yeah, hold on a minute. Cam scene is this one. Dude. Desktop audio capture. Hello? Can I? Oh no, if I try to do that, that's gonna break it. That's gonna break it. Okay. All right. Fine. We'll do this. Nope, not media source. We'll do this. I don't know why that's not going through the main audio thing, but that's very annoying. I'll be straight. It's very annoying.
Did Steve have 2 butts as well?
No, Steve had a normal thing of 1 butt. Hold on. Uh-oh. Did you break? I think OBS broke. So that's cool. I don't even know if you can still hear me or not, but OBS, it broke. Yeah. Oh wait, it's back. It's back. I think I got it back. Okay. So give me a second. Let me. Here we go. Okay. All right. Now. Oh, it's. Is it? Did. Oh, what? What? Hello? Everything was great. Can I get Opera back? Graham, this is your fault. I blame you. I can't really blame you. You just asked for something and I tried to be cool. Why is my Opera just suddenly not working now? Opera just said no. Did Opera freeze too? What the heck, Opera? You were fine. Oh.